Hello everybody! Today let's make orecchiette con salsiccia. Let's start. This recipe not take too long. First thing we gotta pour the water boil and let's pour salt. Alright, and now look how beautiful orecchiette I got over here. Look how beautiful, really nice. Let's start with orecchiette. Okay. And now we give a little mix the orecchiette. And we pour a little oil, not too much oil. Now we gotta start with the sausage. The sausage, what I did, I take the case out and I make a little piece. Everybody can see like this. But this is a sweet sausage. But after I put a little flake of the pepper and we make the sauce a little hot. Okay. And the patch is hot already, and we start to break all the sausage now. Okay, now we need some stuff for my special liquid. What's the liquid I gotta use? It's my wine, dry white wine. Oh, now it smells much better. The sausage like wine. When I was in Italy, oh boy, you eat the sausage and no wine? Oh no. You need the sausage and wine. It go good. Now we evaporated the wine. A little bit more. Okay, now we got a shallot and garlic. All right, good. And we got the flake of hot pepper. It gotta be a little hot, got the sausage, it's a sweet sausage. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, now we cook a little bit more the garlic and the shallot. Okay, I mix this together with the sausage, the garlic and the shallot, and now it's the time of the fennel. The fennel, what I did, I cut it with a knife. Nice thin, not too thick the fennel. Okay. And we saute the fennel now a little bit. After you gotta go the cherry tomato. This is done, and we gotta put the tomato. We saute this together. And now it's the cherry tomato. This tomato is from my garden. Everything, maybe I can pick it up today. No. This what I do. Sometimes I freeze, and I defrost. I take the skin out. Now, time of the tomato. And we give a little turn. Look how beautiful looking at this. To make a little bit more the sauce, a little bit more red, let's put a little tomato paste. And the tomato paste give a beautiful color. All right, and now look, it changed that way now, look. One time you start to turn the tomato, look. Nice now, really good. Okay, now we put a little salt. A black pepper. Okay, done. That's it. And we give a little turn. And we give a little. Okay, now we give a little green. This parsley. This is parsley from my garden. Look, I got so many parsley. And we give a nice turn. And look a little more green. Okay, that's it. Okay, now the orecchiette is ready, and we gotta put it together with the sausage, the fennel, and the tomato. I wanna cook the orecchiette a little bit together. Now, when I pick it up, I wanna leave a little water, like this, and make it cook together nice. I want a nice creamy. Oh boy, this orecchiette grow a lot. I think I got enough for me. Huh? What do you think? I got enough for me? with a nice glass of wine. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, now give a nice mix. Oh, look how beautiful. Nice. And the orecchiette, you need a little, you gotta jump now. I hope our jump ain't not go on the floor. Oh, look at that. Now I want to make a little bit more delicious. Pecorino cheese. All right, and now let's give a little mix on this. All right, look. We don't need no more pasta water. Already look delicious. It's so good. Okay, now it's time of the test. And let's put on this beautiful dish. Thank you very much, Mr. Bill. He sent it to me 6 dish, and we use all the time, and we enjoy. And when I eat on this dish, I get a nice extra glass of wine. Thank you. Now we put little parsley. Okay. A little cheese, pecorino cheese. Every time I put the cheese, I say, cheese. And now, let's taste. Ooh. Really, really good. I hope somebody make it and you let me know. It's delicious. Thank you.